Jerome Cardan was the first person to come up with probability theory. He wrote a book called Book on Games of Chances. He ended up being able to write this book because of his experience with gambling, because he turned into an excessive gambler. And one of the things that he learned about probability is that a probability of an outcome is going to be the total number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes overall. And one of the games that I believe that he would have liked to play, because in the 16th century they liked to play dice games, would be a game called Tally. It is a four-sided dice, and the goal of the game is to roll all four dice being a different number. And the probability of getting a Venus, which is the best roll, would end up being a 9% chance. But the worst roll in this game is actually called a Canis, and that would be if you get all four of the numbers, all four of the dice to be a 1. That's only a 0.4% chance, so that's much better. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to roll a dice here. And I don't have a four-sided dice myself, so I found it on Google. I got 3 ones. That's not very good. At least I didn't get 4 ones. So I decided, well, I want to roll again because I'm determined to see what I could get here. Oh, look at there. Got a Venus. Excellent on the second roll. He also wanted all the outcomes to be fair and balanced, and in his ideal probability world, all of the circuits or all the events would appear before any of the other events appeared. For instance, when you are dealing out a deck of cards, you're going to end up going through every single card one time before you reshuffle and then you deal out again. You're not going to have a card that's going to repeat itself from the deck. However, if you are flipping a coin, or you're using a spinner, or you're using a dice, he again believed that, you know what, you're not going to have anything that's going to repeat itself until you get through all. That would not work out according to what he liked. Now on the spinner, actually, I'm going to get really close to getting all 5 of the colors before any of them repeat themselves. I thought this was pretty neat. Oh, had to repeat the purple, never got to orange. Okay, and then on the dice, get a 6, get a 1, and then immediately get another 6. And I chose to do this presentation on probability because this is something that we have been doing in my accelerated 8th grade class, and these students do not like probability at all. They despise it, and so I think they'd be interested to hear the history about the guy that came up with it.